This is it. We're going off to our first ever Mexican holiday in where's the place called? Maya. Is it Maya?
Riviera, Maya.
Riviera, Maya. So follow the journey and let's go. Let's go on holiday.
Stop messing around.
So where are we going?
Mexico.
Yeah, I can't see you.
Sorry.
Where are we going?
Mexico.
And how long are we going for?
2 weeks.
And where's the place that we're stopping at? Just in case we lose you.
Shellha. No.
We're going to lose you there. No worries, it's all good.
No. Riviera.
Let's go to Mexico.
Woo!
Let's go to Mexico.
Okay.
Girls, at the hotel. Where do we go from here?
In.
Well done! So where are we now then, Mia?
Premier Inn.
Where?
Premier Inn.
Premier Inn. And what are we staying here for?
39 to 8 to close to Mexico.
Okay, good.
Daddy, it's not fancy. Okay, popping over the Premier Inn.
And we'll get anything in the morning going off to Mexico.
Let's go, yeah. Yeah?
Right, it's been an absolutely horrible night at this hotel, and we're about to move on to breakfast, so let's get it on. Bacon and Anyway, just before we head off, we're going to have some food in the Oh, she's so tired. Done, breakfast done. Let's go and pack the kids up. Oh my god, they've gone back to bed. Ridiculous. Goodbye from here. Where are we going?
Mexico!
No, now.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go. Get out of the car, let's go! Minutes and we head off to the gate, and then we've got a 10.5-hour flight ahead of us. Can't wait for that one. It's going to be fun, ain't it, mate?
It's going to be a long ride.
Hats on, bags on, let's rock on. 14 days. How long? have to go through immigration. It's another 2 hours on the bus. Just waiting for one more person to get onto the bus so we can go.
Get in the pool.
Yeah. So after an hour of hanging around at the airport for one couple to turn up, they didn't turn up. So now we're off on our way to the
Grand Palladium.
We've just arrived at the Grand Palladium, Kentenah.
and your mum's booking in, and we're gonna go and hit the pool. Yeah. How hot are you? What's happened to your hair? Is it the heat?
Yeah,
We just called that camera,
Yeah. You love
not
it?
a sleigh.
Oh my god, we've only just arrived and there's flamingos in our face. So okay, we've just arrived at Grand Palladium, Kentenah. And we're kind of on our way to our room, and well, this is the way. We go through a little jungle bit, and to the left we've got flamingos, and to the right we've got my wife's bum. Yeah, kind of glad to the ground floor thing now. How cool is this room, Abs?
Very.
Wicked, isn't it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Not only that, we've got a little jungle view, so we get to see any animals coming up in the evening, which I can guarantee we're going to get quite a few. Right, what we need to do is first get a beer out for Daddy, because that's the most important thing. I believe the fridge is just in here.
Do you mind doing?
Coors Light. We don't want Coors Light. We're going to need to go down and get all drinkified with like cocktails and stuff. Coffee! And considering it's only me and you sharing this room, Abs, there ain't being no coffee drinking, is there? We're going to be like alcohol in it. Actually, no, you're not.
What, that I've shut myself out the
On
room
the,
already?
On the first night, you've shut yourself
In the
out?
first hour, I
In
think.
the first hour, on the first night, you've shut yourself out your room.
Yeah. But only because I've picked up the towel cards instead.
Abby and Mia are not happy. We've been here, what, an hour, 2 hours? And the girls have been told they've got to get out the pool. They've been in there 2 minutes, so they ain't too chuffed. Meanwhile, we're just going to go and find a bar.
But it is like 7 o'clock.
Oh shit, yeah, sorry, yeah, it's 7 o'clock and they are getting kicked out the pool, but yeah, we're going to go and find a bar. Yeah. So we're having a little bimble around the complex. Been kind of cut short because my daughter's slipped over and fallen in the pool. You alright?